Solve using the substitution method. If there is no solution or an infinite number of solutions, state this. We have the system of equations x equals 5y minus 10 and 15y equals 3x plus 30. To use the substitution method, we need to have one variable by itself, and we already have that in our first equation. It's solved for x. So I will take the expression that x equals, that is 5y minus 10, and substitute that for x in the second equation. That gives me 15y equals 3, and it should be 3x, but I know x is 5y minus 10. So I write that, 5y minus 10, and then finish the equation plus 30. Multiplying, I have 15y equals 15y minus 30 plus 30. And I have 15y equals minus 30 plus 30 is 0, so 15y equals 15y. And if I want to combine like terms, I subtract 15y from both sides, and I end up with 0 equals 0. Now this is an equation with no variables, but it's always true. 0 is always equal to 0. When you have an equation that is always true, this tells you that for this situation we have an infinite number of solutions. So we just write that as our answer. There is an infinite number of solutions. And that's the way to state the answer.